everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 131 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have this Femme Couture Eye Drama Glitter Liquid Eyeliner that I just picked up from Sally Beauty. Oh my gosh, this looks so pretty and I'm so excited to try this out because I love pretty much anything pink and sparkly. So this retails for $6.99 and it comes in 6 different colors. This pink shade is called Rockin' Rose. Okay, good. This is the type of liquid eyeliner applicator that I like, which is a small pointy brush tip. Let's go ahead and see how it swatches. So it does appear to be a clear liquid with pink sparkle glitter in it. So this product claims to be really good on top of other liquid eyeliners, which definitely makes sense. This would be great as like a glitter top coat to another liquid eyeliner. But for this video, I'm going to try it out without any other eyeliner so that we can see how it looks on its own. Yeah, it's not designed to just be like a glitter topper to liquid eyeliner. It is also designed to be worn alone. So I just did one line and I feel like I need to build up the sparkle. Okay. So I have it applied as my upper liquid liner and I just wish that it was also a pink liquid and not a clear liquid with only pink sparkle. Because if it was pink liquid with pink sparkle, I would love it so much more. Like it does look very pretty with the pink sparkle, but it doesn't look like a liner. It just kind of looks like loose glitter that I just placed on my upper lash line, not like it's a liquid liner like I was hoping for. I'm gonna see if I can build it up any more and make it look more of a solid type of line. Okay, you know what? That worked. That did help build it up and it now does look more just like a solid glittery line. So I am liking it a lot more now, but just have to keep that in mind that you need to really layer it up if the solid sparkly look is what you're looking for, or you have to get a whole other liquid eyeliner, put that on first and then this on top. This product also says that it works for adding some glitter to the tips of the eyelashes, and I think that's such a cute idea, so I'm gonna try that out too. I think that looks so pretty. It just adds a little bit of sparkle to my eyelashes on top of my black mascara, and I really like that. I think I'm gonna have to do that more often. I'll go ahead and apply this to my other eye and come back with my final thoughts. I definitely like how this looks because I love pink sparkle and I feel like this is a very easy way to wear a pink sparkle on my eyes. I'm curious if it smudges or stays in place. Whoa! Now that it's dried down, it's not moving, so that's really good. It looks very subtle, like it's almost like a surprise. Like if you get up close, then you can see that, ooh, I have this very pretty pink sparkly eyeliner. But let me know in the comments down below if you have any recommendations for pink liquid eyeliners, because I really, now that I didn't exactly get what I was expecting, I really want to find that. So I really want to find a pink eyeliner, and even if it's not sparkly, I can use this to make it sparkly. I am going to keep this product though because I'm definitely going to wear this again. It's a great way to wear some pink sparkle. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.